Hi guys, I'm Reggie. Today we're gonna do the brake fluid flush using this pressure brake bleeder system. Gonna make it really easy, and then we don't need another person to help you. You can do it on your own. Let's try it and see if it's hardened or not. Now I'm gonna show you all you're gonna need for this job. The pressure brake bleeder system with the hose, 11mm bleeder wrench, a container to get the old fluid coming out of the brake system, 2 liters of brake fluid. Mine use .4, that's what I have, and let's start it. Oh, by the way, I have the Audi A4 2002. Now I'm gonna tell you all the plan, how you're gonna do this. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna put the fluid inside of the bleeder pressure. There's a 2-liter fluid over here. I connect it to the reservoir. Now I pump into 15 psi. Let's go back to the back wheel and then start open up the bleeder. The first brake you're gonna bleed is the right rear because it's the farthest one from the master cylinder. To locate your bleeder, in this case, so right over here, this is the caliper. It's gonna be right over here. Here's the bleeder. So we're gonna pop this rubber piece over here, put the wrench first and connect the tube. Let's see if this is gonna work. Check the color of the fluid. If it's clear, that means you are done with the bleeding. Pro tip over here for you. First, close the bleeder, then you take it out the tube. And the first one is done. The next brake you have to hit is the driver's side on the rear. Look how many air was inside of my brake. Look the color of this. We move for the third wheel. Gonna be passenger side, front. We are done with the third one. Okay, let's start on the fourth wheel. It's the last one. Gonna be driver's side, front wheel. Let's do this. Alright, we are done. The last wheel. Look how nasty was all the fluid. We are done. Now we just push the pressure release on the bottom over here. Now we disconnect from the reservoir, and then we should be good. I'll disconnect. Let's see inside. Let's see how the ped brake is gonna feel. Feels normal. I never done this before. It was my first time. I was totally able to do it by myself. That means if you are there and then it's new to mechanic, new to like fixing cars, and I totally recommend this because you totally can do yourself. All right, thank you so much for watching. I will do the next video of how to change these shocks over here, the hood shocks. Mine's bad, it's leaking right over here. So see you next one. Bye bye.